So we have given here different, let me explain it again. I click the picture. First of all, I go to the animation tab, I click the picture, I can give it different animations as appear, it will appear, fade, fly in, float in, split, wide. Clicking the cursor down below, I have different sort of entrance effects, emphasis effects. For example, to emphasize our picture, I click at color pulse. Clicking at pulse, it will glow. It can spin, it can grow or shrink. Let's for instance we stick, and also we have exit effects, disappear. Okay, just for instance we stick with appear. Okay, and I also want to give animation to my text here. So the main heading I have in front of me, I give it as appear, number second, number third, number fourth, number fifth. I can check that how my animations look like from this preview button. Okay, it will not be shown in the slow motion. So let me go to the slideshow. You have different options to go to the slideshow from this button down below, or you can simply insert F5 for the slideshow. But by inserting F5, it will start from the first slide. So I just click this option. First animation, second one, third, fourth, so on to the fifth. So now we know how to give animation to our pictures. Now we can have different effects of animation and control different effects of animation from animation pane. This you can see on the top is the animation pane. Okay, so here different animations start on click. We can also start our animation from previous. For example, I want number fifth animation to start off just as the number fourth animation ends. So I insert the option of start with previous. So the fourth will automatically come with the fifth will automatically come with the fourth. Okay, let's have a check on this one. 2, 3, 4, and fifth. Fourth and fifth came along at the same time. Okay, so or I can give to my picture as start with previous. So as the slide number 2 is open, the picture will automatically come. Let us go to the slideshow and then check it. This is the first slide. I go to the second slide and I have this picture in front of me as soon as the slide starts. Okay, so we know now how to use animation pane. I can also select the time of my animation. For example, I choose the picture and give it a delay of 1 second. So the picture will be appearing after 1 second. Now I can see it here. Again, make it 0. Okay, so now we know how to give animation effects to our pictures. One thing to memorize here is, as I can also add more than one animation, I mean multiple animation to a single picture. For example, first I choose the appear effect, then I choose the dispersal effect, for example disappear effect, on the same picture. Okay, so it's animation number 4. So it can appear as well as disappear. We have given two animation effects on the same picture. Let us see it here. Now it has disappeared. Okay, now I want this effect. We can change the order of animation as well. For changing the order of animation, I can go to the animation pane. I can simply choose the animation number 4 or effect number 4 and can drag it above 1. So the picture will appear and disappear one after the other. Let's have a look at it. Okay, I have changed the order of the animation. So let us now see the effect of animation on our video that we had inserted here.